Front-load washing machine cleaning. Cleaning a front-load washing machine is important to prevent odors, mold, and maintain its efficiency. Here is a basic guide on how to clean a front-load washing machine. Materials needed: white vinegar, baking soda, microfiber cloth or sponge, mild dish soap, optional, old toothbrush or small brush, clean, dry cloth or towel. Steps: clean the gasket and door seal. Start by opening the door of the washing machine. Inspect the rubber gasket around the door for any visible dirt, debris, or mold. Mix a solution of equal parts white vinegar and water. Dampen a microfiber cloth or sponge in the vinegar solution and wipe the gasket thoroughly, both inside and out. If there's stubborn mold, use an old toothbrush or a small brush to scrub it gently. Clean the detergent drawer. Remove the detergent drawer if it's removable. Check your machine's manual. Wash the drawer in warm soapy water or run it through a dishwasher cycle if suitable. Wipe down the drawer compartment inside the machine using a cloth soaked in the vinegar solution. Run a cleaning cycle. Set the washing machine to the hottest water temperature setting. Add 2 cups of white vinegar to the detergent dispenser. Run the washing machine on a normal cycle without any clothes. This helps to clean the drum and internal components. Wipe down the drum. After the vinegar cycle is complete, open the door and let the drum air out for a while. Mix a 1/4 cup of baking soda with water to form a paste. Use a cloth or sponge to apply the paste to the inside of the drum. Focus on areas with visible stains or residue. Run a short cycle on the hottest setting again to rinse off the baking soda. Final rinse. After the baking soda cycle, wipe down the drum, gasket, and other surfaces with a clean, damp cloth. Keep the door and detergent drawer open for a while to allow the machine to air out and prevent moisture buildup. Remember to consult your washing machine's manual for any specific cleaning instructions or precautions. Regular cleaning, along with leaving the door ajar after each use, can help maintain your front-load washing machine's performance and prevent unpleasant odors.